What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge from your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer without any third-party applications, right? So if you go ahead and you right click on the Windows icon here and you go to install apps, right? And if you go ahead and you type Edge, right, you will see the Microsoft Edge, right? And if you click on the three dots, you will see that uninstalled is grayed out, right? So you're not able to uninstall it right here. However, I'm going to show you how to make sure that you can uninstall it. So if you go there again and you click on uninstall, it will no work, right? So what you want to do, click on the Windows icon here and you want to simply type reg, and you will see the registry editor. You want to go ahead and click on that and click yes, so that it will open up. Yeah, now what you want to do guys, you want to simply go ahead and expand the H key local machine, right? And then you want to expand software. Then you want to scroll all the way down guys, all the way down to where you will find a folder by the name of wow 6432 node. You want to go ahead and you want to click on that and expand it. Then you want to look for the Microsoft folder and expand it. So here's a Microsoft, you want to expand that as well. And then you want to look for the Windows folder. Scroll down till you find the Windows folder, and here it is. You want to go ahead and you want to expand that as well. Then you want to go ahead and expand the current version folder here, and you want to look for the uninstall folder. So this is the installer, but you want to look for uninstall folder. Here is the uninstall folder guys. You want to go ahead and you want to expand this. Let me go ahead and make more space so that you can see it. Within this space guys, this is where you will find all the list of applications that you can manipulate with, right? And if you look in the list here, you will see the Microsoft Edge, right? So if you click on the Microsoft Edge guys and you look over here to all of these, and you will see it says no remove, no repair, right? So what you want to do, just simply go ahead and double click on the no remove, and you want to change this value from a 1 to a 0, right? So once you go ahead and you change this to a 0 guys, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click OK, and then you want to go ahead and close out and restart your computer. Now once you restart your computer guys, go back to uninstall app and search for the Microsoft Edge browser, and you will be able to uninstall it, because this is the default value guys that is actually stopping you from uninstall the application. But once you change this from a 1 to a 0 and restart your computer, then you'll be able to uninstall it. Very easy and very simple. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.